Okay, this is just mixing of the food, and what we're trying to do is get it to a consistency where it falls through the fork. That's still a bit thick. And as we go, we keep an eye on the temperature. Okay, so we've just about got the consistency right, and it's falling through just through the fork. Temperature's coming down, it's around about 40. And then a little bit lower than that. I like to keep it just under 40. So what we're trying to achieve is the same temperature as the birds themselves. Okay, and the temperature check, and we've got around about 38.8. And I am happy with that. It's definitely under 40, which is what I'm aiming at. Around about 5 is what these guys are going to have, around about 5 mils. Most people try and shove this in their mouth and they won't normally take it, and this guy actually will. Now, if they don't want to take it, you do this, just rub. He's ready to go now. There's no dramas whatsoever. You don't have to fight him at all. Straight in. He knows exactly what you're going to do. And he is finished. Very nice. He's nice and clean too. Tag number 2. His weight is about 54. This little fella's quite hungry. So this is the jump out of there. Fine. Okay, he's going to do a little bit of. Both was finished, and he's going to make a deposit while stretching his wings. Good on you. Okay, now if you have trouble feeding them, like they won't open their mouth like this guy, oh, he's going to do it. Just rub their beak like so, and it's ready to go now. And off we go.
Just make sure that there's no food. They have a bit of a drink. A bit of a mess side. Pretty clean, so there's nothing that much else to clean at this one.
Thinks he's going to get some food there. He definitely doesn't need any more food.
Message there. Just checked his feet.